In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default save location in CapCut. So if your projects are currently being saved to the wrong drive or you simply want to store them on a different location, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open CapCut on your computer. If you're currently working inside a project, you'll need to close out of it and return to the CapCut home screen. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top of the window and click on the Settings button. From the menu that appears, select Settings again to open the CapCut preferences. Inside the Settings window, you'll see an option called Save to near the top of the page. To change the location, click on the folder icon next to the current save path. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse your computer and choose a new folder. You can select a folder on the same drive or even choose a completely different drive if you'd like. Once you've found the folder you want to use, click Select Folder. After that, click Save to apply the changes. From now on, CapCut will use the new location as the default save folder for future projects. And that's how you can change the default save location in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and editing tips.